Hello, welcome to this demo of your zPass dashboard here. We have just launched the zScore API. We're super excited about it, and we want to give you a quick overview of what you can do in the zPass web app, how you can access all this information, and basically show you how to get started really quickly. So if you visit zpass.myzscore.ai, you'll land on this dashboard here, and we've got real-time blockchain analytics coming in. You can see the last updated time just updated as of right this minute. And so now you can actually see when I was recording this demonstration. As you can see here, we've got the number of wallets tracked, the number of unique networks, how many different protocols from Aave to Compound v2, v3, and Morpho v1, and how many transactions are included in this data set. So you have a lot of transactions, good coverage right now for the number of protocols and across a variety of different networks. You can also get a quick overview of the z-scores in this data set. How many are ranked poorly, below average, and so on. 1% of those 2.08 million wallets have excellent z-scores. That's a score over 750. And we can even see here a quick view of top wallets by reputation. The other thing you can do without logging in is switch to different protocols. And you can also check out the playground. The playground is where you can actually try different API calls without having to do a ton of information or a ton of coding yourself. So you can get wallet zScore, get a zScore by a specific wallet, by protocol, and so on. And of course, we'll give you a really quick way to do that. And you can see that you can access that using JavaScript, Python, Java, Ruby, even PHP, and so on. So you can see all the different API calls here, try them all out for yourself, and you can see all this without even having to make an account. Once you do make an account, things really start to open up here. So when you sign up, you'll put in your email, your password, you'll get a code in your email to verify your email address, and then you can log in. I've already done that, so I'm going to go ahead and log in. And now not only do I have access to the playground and to the dashboard, I can also visit the Wallet Insights here. The Wallet Insights is really, really cool. It's basically a more abstracted version of the playground in a more graphical user interface here. So you can sort by highest or lowest. You can filter by specific tiers of z-score. So if I want good z-score numbers, I can get those really quickly. I can get the first 100 visible right here in the web app and kind of go from there. And I can also search by a specific wallet address. I've been able to find a wallet that I know has a z-score, so we're gonna search for that here so you can actually see some real good data here. I'll leave it to you to go discover whose wallet this actually is. But you can see it has a score of 405.9. That's pretty average. 153,000 out of almost 1.9 million, which is pretty good. And if we go view the details here, you can see a little bit more of the z-score, specifically the percentile. And if we choose a specific protocol, then we can get more granular data on this wallet's usage of this particular protocol. We can see that they've done over $480,000 of volume. They're actually in a borrowing position right now. They've put up about more than 2x of the collateral that they would need. So good health factor there. And even a little bit more information about why this person is categorized at a medium risk. So now that I've done that, I'm going to go check out the API analytics. And here you can actually monitor your usage. You can manage your keys. You can check out the endpoint performance. I've done a few calls here. And so I've used up 105 calls of my usage rate. That's 1.1%. So you can figure out a call rate of 10,000 API calls without having to pay at this time. This is V1 that's just rolling out. I can see where I'm getting, where those endpoints are being used, how many calls I'm doing per day, and some more details on the endpoints themselves, whether they're healthy, whether there are failure rates, and so on. Links to the different documentation for getting the wallet score, analytics, your global analytics as well. Link to the full documentation here. And that's about it. You can also, of course, get your API key here. And soon you'll be able to manage your subscription. So you get 10,000 API calls per month. You can do up to 100 requests per second. You get full endpoint access. And we're going to continue to beef this up and roll out additional plans really, really soon. That's it for now. I almost forgot the most important thing. Dark mode. We have that too. So that's a quick overview of the zPass dashboard. Again, that is zpass.myzscore.ai. You can make an account today, play around, start to use it, get into the playground, play around with a variety of different options here, and see how you can use zPass in your product today. Thanks so much for watching. You can reach out to us on Telegram, Discord, or by email, support@zero.finance.